Hey, what's up there crew? Matt here with TRW. In this quick video, I'm going to show you how to make an awesome dishwasher safe glitter sticker with your standard t-shirt heat transfer vinyl and then our magic material, the bling anything material. Stick around to see how. Okay, so I'm here in the Silhouette Business Edition software. I'm going to cut by color, and then I'm going to use a force of 14 and then a speed of 30, and I'm using my CB09 blade holder with our TRW 45 degree Graphtec clean cut blade. Now you can see we just cut the white glitter heat transfer vinyl. Now we just loaded the red glitter heat transfer vinyl in as I'm going to weed the white. Now remember, this is our standard t-shirt glitter heat transfer vinyl that we're cutting. So now the last material I'm going to load is our bling anything material. This is a proprietary material made by the rhinestone world to be able to turn rhinestones or glitter heat transfer vinyl into a sticker. So now I'm weeding the red glitter heat transfer vinyl as the bling anything material is finishing cutting. So what I'm doing with the bling anything material is I'm cutting the contour around the baseball here so I don't have to trim around it with a pair of scissors. And what you'll also notice I'm doing is even though I might only have an order for one of these actual decals to put onto a tumbler, I'm going to cut 4 of them at the same time to make it easy. Now, when it comes to pressing, I'm going to turn the white glitter upside down and then put the shiny side to it. I'm pressing at 315 degrees for about 1 to 2 seconds. We finished our first layer, again, working upside down, layering on the red glitter now, and I can see the cut lines on my bling anything material, cover sheet over top, and now I'm going to go about 6 to 8 seconds for my second press. And peel our carrier sheet off, and we have ourselves 4 finished glitter heat transfer vinyl decals or stickers. So now that we're going to trim them all off, we have them ready to give to a customer, and we want to go ahead and apply this to a tumbler. You can see you just peel it off like a sticker now. So we have our tumbler here. I'm just going to spray a little bit of water on it for a wet application to get no bubbles. Drop it onto the tumbler like any customer could do, and we have a finished product ready to send to our customer. Now this decal right here is going to also be dishwasher safe, which is amazing. Alright, so hopefully this video helped you out as far as actually cutting the glitter heat transfer vinyl, cutting the bling anything material, lining it up, pressing it on your heat press with the Silhouette Cameo cutter like I did in this video here. But if you have any questions, of course, shoot a comment below. Let us know any questions that you have. I will put the link to the products that I used in this video in the description below as well. And of course, make sure to click that like button if you like this video, if it helped you out a little bit. Make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel right here. Click the little bell right next to it so you can get all these awesome videos that I create to help your business. And I will see you guys soon. All right, crew? Appreciate you stopping by. Later.